Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to try on this beautiful short curly wig. So if you find this video entertaining or interesting, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So this is the wig before I applied any product on it. I'm spraying some water on it to activate the curls. And then I went ahead and used this Ludice cream. So for this type of hair or for any curly wig, I always advise to use mousse, because if you want to maintain the curls or if you want the hair to look curly the whole day, I advise to use a mousse. And then if you want the hair to fit very well, you can crisscross the straps at the back. Especially if you have a small head, just crisscross the straps at the back to make it fit well. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. So if you want the curls to really pop, you can use the curls activator. But then if you want it to last longer, just use mousse. It will maintain the curls for the whole day. I'm going to put the hair in different styles, and I hope you love this wig. So also if you're interested in this wig, I'll leave my website link in the description box down below, so you can contact me and I will send the wig to you. And I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half, just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and It's you and That was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.